Hello, welcome back. Today what we're going to do is set up our settings for Inventor that are ideal for Mr. Hall's IED class. So please follow along and copy all of these steps so that our Inventor settings all will be the same. It's easier for you guys to do things and it's easier for me to check your work. So to do this, when you open Inventor, you should be in your home screen. And what you're going to want to do is go up to File and down to Options. Under Options, the first thing we're going to look in is under General. I think we are good to go. So we'll move over and just click through all of these to make sure we're where we need to be. So I'll click next into Save. For save reminders, since people often forget and end up losing some of their work, I'm going to say our save reminders should go down from 30 minutes to 5 minutes. So hopefully Inventor will remind you and you will notice every 5 minutes that you should save. It will say, have you saved or something like that, and it will remind you. 5 minutes is what you should put in here. Next we'll go to File. We're good there. Colors. Colors ends up being, in my opinion, it's a little bit harder to see, especially as we start taking screenshots and printing things off. So what I would like you to do is, first off, change the background image to one color. And once you do that, then I would like you to choose something that is easy to see, such as presentation. I like presentation. I like using a white background. I think it's easier to see with good contrast. I will also accept sky, winter day, and winter night. Those are the only four I will accept. So I'm going to choose presentation and make sure I hit apply. And make sure, yeah, okay, so 5 minutes stayed. And that's there. So now I'm going to go to display. For display, I'm going to change the first button to Use Application Settings. And then I'm going to click Settings. Underneath Settings, I'm going to change my visual style from shaded to shaded with edges. And then I'm going to click OK. Give me a second to make sure we're caught up. We'll use Application Settings, Settings, Shaded with Edges. Next, we will go to Drawing. The Drawing tab, we want to change our default drawing file type from DWG to IDW. Change that and hit Apply. DWG needs to go to IDW. Next, we will go to Sketch. Underneath Sketch, if we go down, we want to click on Auto Project Edges for sketch creation and edit. This will make it easier when we're creating sketches on more complex parts for Inventor to define the edge of parts. It will be important as we move on, so make sure you click the third checkbox down, Auto Project Edges for sketch creation and edit, and click Apply. Next, we're going to go up to Part, and it'll actually end up flipping our list. So we'll go to Part. Underneath Part, we should be good. So next, we'll go over to Assembly. Underneath Assembly, I would like you to look at this last checkbox before it says In Place Features. I want you to check the box that says Place and Ground First Component at Origin. Check that box. It makes it much easier to constrain things when we are grounded at the origin right off the bat. So use that checkbox and then hit Apply and we should be good to go. So click Close and you are